builder can be worth it if you have a very low credit score when you start now. If you have a very high credit score, you shouldn't even be thinking about like self. But if your credit score is low, it can definitely be worth it. What I suggest is go ahead and sign up for their installment account. If your credit score is very, very low and you don't have any credit cards at all, then look into signing up for their secure credit cards, because you can get that secure credit card without a credit check at all. And then that way you'll have two accounts reporting to the credit bureaus. Now, worth it, again, it really is going to depend on your credit score. I say if your credit score is under a 620, definitely go ahead and sign up for it, and you should be able to see a boost in your credit score. And it's only going to be worth it too if you guys don't have late payments, like in terms of you're not going to have late payments on this account. If you guys are going to get this account and pay on it like you need to pay on it, then it's definitely going to be worth it. But if you guys are not going to be doing that, then it's possibly not going to be good for you, because they're going to report you late, and they're not trying to remove late payments, you guys. They're like kickoff. They're not playing. These accounts are there to start boosting your credit score. But if you guys are not paying, then they're going to report you late, and they're not going to try to remove it. Like, they're